Hey guys, welcome to the 8th video of this series, JavaScript Simplified from Computing Genie. In this video, we'll be looking into the differences between a variable and a constant in JavaScript. In the last video, we looked into data types in JavaScript and how to format variables. If you haven't watched that yet or the videos uploaded earlier, I'd suggest you to go back, have a look into it and get back to this video. Now let's look at variables. Now in simple terms, a variable is a value that is bound to change and vary across its existence. So from an app perspective, you can see that prices of products can change from time to time. So let's open Visual Studio Code and let's see how we can implement this in our project. So as you see right here, there are some variables already declared in our file from the last video. Now let's pretend to have some code under these variables. Then you have come to a point where you have to change the values of one of your variables, and you can simply do that by just typing in the variable name again. We'll use price as it is something that is bound to vary as time passes. Then we can assign it a new value. We'll give it 20 for the sake of an example. Now let's just pretend that there's even more code under this, and now let's save our code and pull up the terminal and type in npm run start. And as you can see right here, the price is updated, and this method is a lot more simpler than updating the original value, as there is a lot more scrolling and finding involved when you have many lines of code in your project. And if you ever want to update it again, you can simply do that by repeating the process like shown earlier and update your price or variable wherever you wish to do so. Make sure your updated pricing or variable is below the previous update. Now we've got that out of the way, let's now look at constants. Constants are similar to variables in most general scenarios, but the main difference is that the value can't be reassigned like shown with variables. A constant, in simple words, is a fixed value, as the name suggests. So if you look at our code now, we can declare the product name as a constant, as it usually doesn't change a whole lot across the project. Once done, you can save your project, and as you see, everything works just fine with our newly updated values and our constant product name value. And those are some of the notable differences between a variable and a constant. In the next video, we'll be looking into the operator type of, and we'll be seeing how we can identify the data types of a value right on our web page. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like on the video. If you have any suggestions regarding the content of the video, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to Computing Genie with bell notifications so you'll never miss out on another tutorial. And that's it for now. I'll see y'all in the next one.